Good morning, students. Welcome to Class 5 English of Prose session. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, they are bamboo plants. Do you know, children? Bamboos are the tallest grass in the world. Yes, it is strange but 100% true that bamboos are grass plants and they are the tallest grass on the earth. Students, do you know there is one more speciality of bamboos? They are not only the tallest grass, but even we can make bamboo curry from bamboos. So, to know more about bamboos and bamboo curry, let us read and understand the lesson Bamboo Curry. Bamboo Curry, a Santhal folk tale. As I had said earlier, a folk tale means the stories that tell us about the customs and culture of the place they are set in. Now, what is the meaning of the word Santhal? Santhals are tribal people, means Adivashis, or a group of native people who are living in that particular area. Students, here we can see two pictures of a Santhali tribal women, and by looking at these pictures, we can understand the Santhali culture. Now, let us also know where Santhalis are mainly found. As you can see in this picture, Santhalis are mainly found in Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. Now, let us read the story Bamboo Curry to understand how to make bamboo curry from bamboos. But before we start the lesson, let us know the characters in the story. Here we can see the first character of the story, mother-in-law. The second character of the story, bridegroom. And the third character of the story, wife. One day, a Santhal bridegroom went to visit his mother-in-law. She cooked a special dish for him. Now, children, what is the meaning of the word visit? Visit means to go and stay with a person for a short time. And what is the meaning of the word special? Special means something different, something unusual. Children, here we can see in this picture the mother-in-law preparing a special dish for the bridegroom and the bridegroom eagerly waiting for the special dish to be eaten. This curry is delicious. What is it? The bridegroom asked. The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo dough. Now, children, what is the meaning of the word delicious? Delicious means something very tasty. Here we can see in this picture the bridegroom asking mother-in-law, "What is it? What is this special dish made from?" And the mother-in-law pointing her hand towards the bamboo dough. Next morning, just as the bridegroom was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Children, as you can see in this picture, the bridegroom suddenly remembering that there was no bamboo in his village. So the bridegroom removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. In this picture, we can see the bridegroom carrying the bamboo door with him. On reaching his village, the bridegroom told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo dough." Now here we can see in the picture the bridegroom telling his wife to prepare curry with the bamboo dough. We can also see in the picture surprise on the face of his wife. The wife was shocked and so she said, "How can I make curry out of a bamboo dough?" Children, now what is the meaning of the word shocked? Shocked means to feel surprised and upset. As we can see in the picture, the wife is surprised and upset because she does not know how to prepare curry out of a bamboo dough. Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboo, the bridegroom said. Now, children, what is the meaning of the word chopping? Chopping means to cut into pieces. Here we can see in the picture the bridegroom ready with the knife to chop the bamboo. The wife boiled and boiled the bamboos to make bamboo curry. Here in this picture, we can see the wife boiling the pieces of bamboo to make bamboo curry and the bridegroom eagerly waiting for the bamboo curry to be eaten. Later, when the husband tasted the bamboo curry, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook bamboo curry." Children, we can see in this picture, the husband is in a state of shock because he is unable to eat the bamboo curry as the pieces of bamboos are too hard to eat. The Santhal bridegroom's in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening and came to know about the bamboo curry. Then the mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know that the bamboo curry is made from bamboo shoot and not from bamboo dough?" After that, they all started laughing at the foolishness of the bridegroom. Now, children, what is the meaning of the word couple? Couple means two people who are married. Now, what is the meaning of the word shoot? Shoot means a young branch of a tree or a plant. And foolishness means silliness. Here we can see in this picture the mother-in-law explaining to the bridegroom that bamboo curry is made from bamboo shoot and not from the bamboo dough. Children, here we can see in this picture the bamboo shoots. The bamboo shoots which we use to make bamboo curry. Here we can see the picture of bamboo curry which is prepared from bamboo shoot. Meanings: bridegroom, a newly married man. Mother-in-law, wife or husband's mother. Special, not usual, something different. Visit, to go and stay with a person for a short time. Delicious, tasty. Shocked, to feel surprised and upset. Chopping, to cut into pieces. Couple, two people who are married. Shoot, here, a young branch of a tree or a plant. Foolishness, silliness. Children, I hope you must have understood the lesson nicely.